Using the Westpac app is a convenient way to manage your banking needs. Here's how to get started and navigate the app. Download the app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Westpac and download the app. Log in. Open the app and log in using your customer ID and password. You can also set up biometric login for easier access. Dashboard overview. The dashboard provides a summary of your accounts, including balances and recent transactions. View accounts. Tap on an account to view detailed information such as transaction history, account balance, and statements. Make transfers. To transfer money between your accounts or to another bank, tap on Payments or Transfer. Enter the recipient's details, amount, and select the account to transfer from. Pay bills. Use BPay or direct transfer options to pay bills. Tap on Pay a Bill, enter the biller code, reference number, and amount. Manage cards. Go to the card section to activate new cards, change your PIN, or temporarily block or unblock a card. Set up alerts. Set up notifications for account activity, such as low balance alerts or transaction alerts in the settings menu. Locate ATMs and branches. Use the app to find the nearest Westpac ATM or branch by accessing the Services section and selecting Locate Us. Secure messaging. Use the secure messaging feature to contact Westpac customer support directly from the app.